Rock and roll.
That was something. I'll tell you, this is not bullshit. Oh man, c'était une grosse côte. It was a big hill. Really cool. So a lot of improvement that you can do in market gardening and regardless in small scale farming has to do with diminishing the weight of the workload. And a lot of growers are using wheels now in washing stations, and that's definitely where you want to go. But to bring those wheels out in the fields also has its importance. And today we're with Terrateck here in France, and they've really done an amazing job of designing and kind of reinventing wheelbarrows, which is pretty interesting stuff. So we'll be talking with Romain. We've met Romain in the past. He's the designer here at Terrateck, and he'll be showing us 4 wheelbarrows that are really interesting in their designs. And what's great about them is that they're on the market. So they're not just kind of pie in the sky. These are wheelbarrows that we can actually purchase and use in the fields. I always say Terrateck's a very innovative company for small-scale farming, and this is an example of this. Romain, how are you, first of all?
Yeah, I'm very good, JM, and you?
I'm good. So these are 4 different wheelbarrows that you've brought here today, that you're going to show us what they're about, and why did you decided to manufacture them?
We have redesigned the wheelbarrows. We have like the single wheel with different lengths.
Yeah.
We have the double here to make things more stabilized. We have the large truck version, so you can cross the bed and harvest in the middle of the bed, which is one of my favorites. And of course, we have the game-changing wheelbarrow here, the electric version. And all of those wheelbarrows are available on the electric power version. So if you like the large truck version, it's possible to get that one electric.
And this one is for?
This one has been designed mainly for compost. So you can fill compost inside, and when you are on the bed, just put the compost. So it's not hard for the body, you just have to lift and the compost,
compost, or ramule wood chip, or whatever else, organic matter that you're hauling. Okay, so why did Terrateck decide to kind of invest and design these and market those?
Redesigning carts, it's like redesigning a wheel. But what you teach us on your book and videos is like on farms, you need the right tools for the right use. And those carts are designed for a box. If I take like a box of vegetables, like the standard boxes, it fit perfect on the carts, you know. That's the right size for the harvest box.
Yeah, and then on this one you can double it.
Yep.
That's the goal. So we'll take them outside, but already what I see that's really appealing for me is this whole idea of having carts that are designed for 30-inch bed systems, or I think you can adjust those to different bed width. So I'm really curious to see how they apply outside, and I'm proposing to do a couple of harvests or carrying loads applications in the field.
Okay, let's go. Okay, JM, so this cart has been designed to straddle the bed, so you can go over the bed, take the box with you, harvest in the middle of the bed.
Saving the time of not coming back with all the boxes all the time. So you have all your load with you, you carry it.
Yep.
And then the harvest is as you go.
Exactly. So try it.
Okay, so you were explaining to me that I need to take it like
just
here?
one handle is really enough.
Okay.
And then go in the middle.
Okay, that's nice. So obviously now it's not, we're gonna harvest a bit later. but that's pretty cool. So I can be harvesting, boom, putting in. Pretty nice. I think this could be a big time saver for a lot of growers. Really interesting stuff. So really like it how you can maneuver it super easily. I think that's clearly important. So, you know, I haven't tried this extensively, so I can blank out recommend it, but man, this is pretty cool, I have to say. I like this, Romain. I like this a lot.
But let's gonna talk about the serious things. Let's go electric.
Electric. I like it. Okay, so now you're showing me this electric cart, and it's pretty interesting.
We're a bit proud of that, and we design an electric set for all the bunch of carts we had. So it's just a remote here. You have like this electric wheel. And then that you have like a lot of torque here because it's a motor and a gearbox, so it gives you a lot of power, and then you control the cart right here. So you have one push to go straight, then the other one you can go back, and we have a brake. I mean, if you are on a hilly farm and you move down, you have a brake, so you can lock a bit the wheel to drive.
Okay, like if you're in down gearing on a shift gear car.
Exactly.
Okay, so and what you're saying is that this is not an electric car. This is a kit that you can, an electric motor that you can put on all the carts that you guys do.
Single and double set. So if you have a single wheel cart, you just take this single wheel electric wheel set, and same for the double.
People will obviously ask, is this something that's going to last through the years, or will the batteries die out? Will you need to change them?
That's a very standard batteries, and you have 8 hours work with the cart. So it means you just need to plug the cart maybe one time a week.
Okay, so there's a lot of hours of usage on it.
Exactly.
And it's strong enough to...
Yeah, the wheel is so strong, and there is a big hill here. If you want to try out, I will be happy to see you climbing.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's try it.
You've showed me.
So you just need to press that one.
Okay, so that's how I go. So this is going pretty well, but what if I stop? Oh, that's not the same project. Okay, well that's definitely much better. And it's a good pace, I have to say, it's pretty fast. Believe me, that with the engine and without the engine makes a big difference. It's pretty nice. It looks really stable also. There's these little headers on the side. I think they avoid the bops of dropping. That's interesting. Definitely, the engine plays a role.
Rock and roll.
That was something. I'll tell you, this is not bullshit. Oh man, c'était une grosse côte. It was a big hill. Really cool,
yeah.
really interesting stuff, really, I have to say. I'm a bit impressed. I've tried it without the motor, and it's not the same game.
Okay.
And yeah, this is really interesting. This is really perhaps a game changer here. Stoked about it. That was a big hill.
Yeah.
Reinventing the wheelbarrow, that's really nice. It's still heavy, but not the same. So there's probably 150 pounds of tomatoes on this. All right, well, I'm really impressed, Romain, with what I've seen today. You know, Terrateck, you guys are definitely innovating, and these wheelbarrows are amazing. You were telling me that you're working with a design for an American wheelbarrow with La Ferme du Perche.
That's gonna come for next year. So amazing. That's gonna have a cart for everyone.
The idea is that all your wheelbarrows you can change the specs and move things
exactly.
around.
So we have like a lot of version of those wheelbarrows, and we hope that everyone will find happiness on the car they want.
Yeah, for their own spacing. So that's great. People can check out your website, terrateck.com. You guys are distributed in the US by Johnny's Selected Seeds, and in Canada,
Dubois Innovation.
Dubois, great, good stuff. So that's it for us. I hope you like this episode of Tools of the Trade. We'll be doing some more, visiting other great people like Jome. Hey, my best to everyone at Terrateck. It was great, good fun. Hope you guys are growing. Hope you guys have the right tool for the right situation. And I hope you like what we're doing here, which is kind of showcasing what's out there and what's available. Tools are a big part of market gardening and small scale farming. So this one's for you. I hope you're well, and I'll see you next time. JM out.